Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another Frozen inspired winter gradient, and it's going to be a super quick video because it was quite easy to do. So here I got my nail tip ready, and these are the glitters I'm going to use in the tip. Some hexagons and some angel flakes with the purple to blue color shift. And all I'm doing is I decided to use two colors, Blue Tide from Neonail and Tears of Happiness. Unfortunately, I was a bit out of shot with the polish, but this is what it looks like. A very nice lavender lilac shade. And what I did is I was bringing the colors together, the blue in the nail bed area, and then Tears of Happiness, the lilac shade, on top. And I brought them as close together as possible. In the nail tip area, I'm coming in with some base coat and bringing that as close as possible to the lilac shade. And into the base coat, I'm already placing the hexes together with the angel flakes. So once I'm happy with the angel flakes, I'm placing some hexagonal shapes here and there on the tip, and then I'm coming in with my gradient brush. And I'm just starting to mix the blue and the purple. Now, as you can see, the colors already started to mix together without me even trying to mix them. But what I'm doing, I'm going from side to side in this dabbing and dragging motion. And you can see here and there I hit the nail plate. I think I had a hair and I was already trying to get some air bubbles out. And I do the same in the nail tip area. So I'm trying to dab and drag the lavender shape, the lavender shade into the base coat, making it thinner and more translucent, and also floating it a bit over the glitter pieces. And you can see the two color gel polishes, they go together like a dream. I nearly didn't have anything to do in that area. However, I go back a bit because I was fighting with some air bubbles here and there, and also for my taste the blue color came a bit too high up on the sides of the nail, so I was trying to rein that in a bit. But all in all, a super easy gradient. I did not have much to do. So here I'm trying to push the blue color back a bit. Here as well. And this is where we are so far. Now the purple is not perfectly faded over the glitter pieces, but it doesn't have to be because I'm coming in with a bit more of top coat, and I'm curing the layer in my lamp for 60 seconds. And on this top coat layer I will come in with my chrome powder, and what the chrome powder does is it smoothes out the color gradient and also the gradient from the color over the clear tip, and it just adds this level of depth, and yeah, chrome powder makes everything better. See that? Could it be more icy and Frozen inspired? I don't think so. So now I'm coming in with another layer of top coat to encapsulate the chrome powder, cure that under my lamp for 60 seconds, but still I had some glitter pieces sticking out in the nail tip, so in the end I needed to file over the tip and then also buff, smooth everything out. And then I'm feeling with my finger over the surface if everything is smooth and neat enough. And once that's the case, I came in with a bit of cleanser to get the dust off. And now a third layer of top coat. Cure that under my lamp for 60 seconds. And this is the result on my finger. Super pretty, huh? And actually I did an entire set of this nail on my hands and I went traveling with that. Unfortunately, I have no footage of that and this is everything I could save. But as an inspiration, I think it is nice enough. Hope you like and subscribe, and I see you in my next one.